Hi everyone, I am Shreyashi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you 5 lipsticks which are from daily wear, brown and nude sort of a collection. So I'm sure you will love it. And also this was a requested video. I know every girl out there you will be interested. And why girls? Actually boys can also be interested. It's 2020. Let's not be segregative. Let's be open minded. And with that, I'll complete my intro and let's get just started with the video. So the first lipstick which I have for you in my collection is from Flormore Cosmetics. Now this lipstick I got it 2 years back. Don't worry, it's not expired. It will not expire so early. I got this 2 year back. Now this one costed for around 249 or 299. I really don't remember. Now the only reason to buy this lipstick was for the shade. I was looking for something in a brown or nude sort of a shade, and my mom was also wanting something in that shade, so I got this one basically for her, but I also tried this. And coming to the shade range, it is in the shade 509 Elegant Beige. I'll quickly swatch the lipstick for you guys so you can understand. Like, this one is the shade, if you can see. It is a beautiful beige brown sort of a shade. The shade is definitely very beautiful, but given the price point, I really don't like this lipstick because of its longevity. Like, it does not even stay on the lip for 2 hours, like when I'm paying this much. And I'll obviously expect that a lipstick will stay for 2 or 3 hours on the lip. It does not really stay on the lips so for like that much time. So I really don't like this one. I don't use this one lipstick as much as I should, given the I don't use this lipstick so much, so this just stays somewhere back in my drawer. I even actually forgot about this one I had. While I was planning for the video, I found it in my drawer. Anyways, I will obviously recommend you to go for other brands which offer very good lipstick in this price range. Moving on to the second lipstick, I have this one from Wet n Wild. Now this one also is bought in 2018. Don't worry, this is also not expired till now. This will not expire so soon. I have checked the date. This lipstick is a very beautiful wine sort of a shade. The shade is dark wine, and definitely I bought it. Like, the shade attracted me so much, I bought it for that. And this one at that time was retailed at around 175. I don't exactly remember, but now when I was going to the website yesterday, I saw it for around 150, and in the sale it has even gone down to 110. So you can definitely purchase this one and give it a try if you are looking for something in a dark brown sort of a shade and in a good brand and good quality. The quality of this lipstick is amazing. It smells so beautiful. Like, I definitely love the smell of the lipstick. I'll quickly swatch it for you guys. Like, you can see the color payoff of the lipstick. It is little shiny, but it's very comfortable on the lips, and it definitely is not transfer proof. It wears off, but not like the Flormore one. It stays on the lip for around 4 to 5 hours. If you don't eat anything too oily, then it will stay, but if you eat anything too oily, then obviously it will start fading off after that time. It obviously starts fading off after that time, but other than that, this lipstick is really a good one. I'm wearing it on my lips today. You can see the color payoff, the beauty of the lipstick. Moving on to the third lipstick which I have for you is from Maybelline. This one is from the Creamy Mattes collection, and this one is like a steal deal from the Maybelline lipsticks range. I so much love this lipstick. It is in the shade 660 Touch of Spice. This one retails for around 299 rupees, and last year I got it in a festival offer package where there was two lipsticks from this Creamy Mattes range, and it came for 399, so it was much more cheaper. And given the quality, the wear time, everything, this lipstick is a great lipstick. I'll quickly swatch the lipstick for you. You can see the shade. It's a beautiful nude color. I was looking for something in this sort of a shade. And also another very amazing and interesting thing which I did is I broke the lipstick while I was trying it out, and I was swatching it for the video. I'm so intelligent that I broke the lipstick, and now I am not left with any good nude this sort of a shade lipstick. Like, I really don't have words to compliment myself, what to say. I'm so intelligent. Wow. Now, given coming to the texture of this lipstick, it is a matte lipstick. It's too drying on the lips. If you are going to apply this one, make sure you put something very much moisturizing on the lips and then go for this one. It's too dry. I don't feel any problem with this one, but people with true dry lips can obviously face big problem, and the wear time, this stays on the lips for a good old 5 to 6 hours. If you eat something after that also, it leaves a light tint on the lips, so which is a great thing. I definitely love this one, and I recommend this one for everyone who is looking for something in a nude and affordable sort of range. Moving on to the fourth lipstick which I have for you is from the Lakme Absolute collections. Now this one is my first liquid lipstick purchase. I got it for around 750 rupees. It was pretty much costly at that time, but now the price has gone down to 500, and yesterday when again I was checking the website, there was some offer, so it is much more cheaper now. And this one, given the price, it's like a worth buying lipstick. Whatever I paid for this one, like I have derived the utmost utility from this one. The color, the texture, the longevity and everything, it's just so amazing. I will quickly swatch this shade for you. You can see the shade. It is a beautiful muted pink sort of a shade. It's in the shade 03 Vintage Pink. The texture of this lipstick is very light, and it does not feel that you're having something on your lips. Like, it leaves the lips so lightweight, and it stays on the lips for around good 10 to 11 hours. Like, if you don't eat anything, then it will stay, it will not go anywhere. But if you eat something oily, then also it will stay on the lips. And also it will stay on the lips for 10 to 11 hours, which is great. And it is not so much transferable. Like, it is transferable, I won't like, little bit of transfer I have seen, but it is not as transferable as you can imagine. Like, it's a great lipstick, and I can't just stop talking about this one because this is one of my favorite lipsticks. I always wear this one. Like, every time you see me, you can understand either I'm wearing the Maybelline, the Touch of Spice lipstick, or this one. Like, it's a great one. I can't just stop talking about this one. Moving on to the fifth and the last lipstick from today. Again, this one is from the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Collection range. Again, when I bought this, it was for around 500 rupees. Now I have not seen any difference in the price, but again, the price which I paid for this one and the quality which I have got is like amazing. Like, it's a great quality lipstick. It is in the shade MB1 Coffee Command. I was looking for something in a brown, bold brown sort of a shade, and this one is a bold brown color. I'll quickly swatch this one for you. You can see the topmost shade which I have swatched on my hand is this one. it is a very bold brown sort of a shade, and on the same time not like, it's not too bold, but it's bold sort of a shade. It's a beautiful shade, and with smoky eye or something black or brown toned eye, put this lipstick, like, it complements the look so well. Again, this one is one of my most favorite lipsticks among all the lipsticks I have till now. This is a very comfortable lipstick, like, it is again very lightweight, but definitely it's matte, so again it's drying on the lips. I don't face any problem, but if you're having too dried lips, then definitely put a good moisturizing lip balm and then go for this lipstick. Coming to the wear time, this stays on the lip for longer hours even after I have eaten food. Like, it didn't move here or there, it was intact. The color payoff went down a little, like, it toned down a little, but I don't mind reapplying lipsticks, so it's not a problem for me. And even this one, like, it has a great, this range, primer plus matte, it has a great shade range. I'm looking forward to buy some more shades from this one. That reminds me that I have not bought a lipstick for a year. I got this was my last buy, which was last year in the month of October, and I didn't buy any lipstick after that, so I'll definitely buy one very soon. I'm looking forward to buy one lipstick very soon. So this one is the shade range. You can see I really love the shades. Like, these are so muted, everyday wear, brown, bold sort of shades which you can just wear with or without makeup, like on everyday basis. I also don't wear makeup when I go here and there. I just put on a light shade of lipstick on my lips, and even now with the corona problem, like, I'm so scared to apply lipstick. Like, whenever I apply, everything is on my mask and nothing is left on my lips. So, like, now there's no chance you can apply your lipstick when you're going out. Moving like, forget that point. Anyways, with that, we are done with today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel, and also hit the small bell notification just beside it to stay updated whenever I upload my next video. Let me know in the comment section below which shade you like the most from my nude, brown, everyday wear sort of collection shades, and what more videos you would like me to make for you. Also, I would really like to thank all of you for showing all the love which you have showed me in the last video. Like, I got a very good response, and if possible, make this video much more watched. Love this video a bit more than the last one. I won't expect too much, but a bit more than the last one. Also, don't forget to check the description box for all the links and the prices of the lipstick which I'll provide there. And until next time, lots of love. Bye.